Although many natural foods have nutritional value, only a few are designated superfoods. A superfood, in general, is any food that has a significant number of vitamins, antioxidants, or other minerals. It's significantly easier to harm our kidneys nowadays because of our lifestyles and habits. As a result, consuming kidney-friendly foods is crucial for maintaining kidney health. That's why today we bring 5 healthy foods to make your kidney healthier. But before, just hit the subscribe button now. Let's get started. Number 1. Omega-3 fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients for the human body. They can help to lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of irregular heartbeats, and cut triglyceride levels. High blood pressure is a risk factor for renal disease, just so you know. As a result, fatty fish such as sardines, tuna, salmon, herring, and mackerel are beneficial. Furthermore, because the body cannot synthesize omega-3s, it is critical to obtain this essential through food sources. Number 2. Cabbage. Cabbage is a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, which means it's high in vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. Because it is low in potassium and salt, it is very good for persons with chronic kidney disease. It is nevertheless a good source of vital nutrients such as vitamin K, C, and B. Cabbage also contains insoluble fiber, which aids digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and providing volume to stool. Number 3. Olive oil. It's an excellent alternative for people with kidney difficulties because it's a healthy source of fat and phosphorus free. Is it any surprise that olive oil is so frequently used? People with severe renal disease typically struggle to maintain their weight. Healthy, high-calorie foods like olive oil become essential at this point. Furthermore, the majority of the fat on it is oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat with anti-inflammatory characteristics. Number 4. Apples. Fresh, crisp apples are a favorite of many people. For starters, they're a delicious snack. Apples are also a great way to satisfy a sweet tooth. But the best thing is that this fruit is chock full of vitamins and minerals. To begin with, apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that helps decrease cholesterol and blood glucose levels while also keeping you full. Oh, and don't forget to eat the peel, which is high in antioxidants and fiber. Apples also contain a significant amount of vitamin C. Number 5. Blueberries. Did you know that when it comes to antioxidant properties, blueberries rank first among fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables? Anthocyanins are antioxidants that can help protect you from diabetes, heart disease, cognitive loss, and certain malignancies. It's also a low-calorie, high-fiber source of vitamin C, because blueberries are low in potassium, phosphate, and salt. They're a fantastic complement to a kidney-friendly diet. So, at the end, if you find this video informative and helpful, then like this video, share this video, comment your opinion. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.